The best companies in sales right now aren't replacing sellers with AI. They're empowering sellers with new AI tools, both internally and externally. And during my internship here at Samsara, I've learned that firsthand. Now, their philosophy at Samsara is how can we use AI tools to empower sellers to be more tailored in outreach and more efficient in their process. And I've gotten to see that firsthand with tools that I've used throughout my 10-week internship. And one of the main ones that I've noticed, and it's brought a lot of value, is called SGPT. Now, SGPT is Samsara GPT, and it's basically a resource where you can pull up your account in Salesforce and then use a widget on the side pulling specific information from the account to tailor your outreach using firmographic data, former opportunities, and then it pulls data from Salesforce, Gong, enablement docs, and our sales methodology to give you tailored information to make you more targeted on outreach. And I saw the value of that and as I generated customer stories, battle cards, and other outreach. And so Samsara GPT was really the first step for me in making sure that I'm doing exactly what Samsara's focus is, which is be tailored and be specific, because that's what really brings value to your customers and makes you have a higher success rate in the role. But also to not only be tailored, but also have proactive coaching once you complete a quality call. And so Gong, which is one of our internal tools, has a feature as well where it sends you a scorecard with feedback to your inbox. So we have a command of the message internal sales methodology, and our calls are rated on that based off of effective discovery, competitive differentiation, clear next steps, a clear opening, things like that. It judges those and gives you feedback on what you did well and what you can improve on, and clear next steps for continuing in that account. That's proactive coaching that's available through Gong. I also really enjoyed the percentage of time you can see where you were talking versus where they were talking to see, do I need to be listening more as a salesperson or am I listening at a good rate? So that's another feature where you're not only having more tailored outreach at Samsara, but you also have proactive coaching. And so it's two-pronged. And for a lot of sellers, what they want you to do is not only perform in the role, but continue to develop from yourself and from others. And so another tool that they have available within Gong is an AI builder. And what the AI builder does is where you can import calls that you've done or others have done to see positive trends or areas for improvement. And so, for example, I can input my calls here and pull a competitive analysis or a performance analysis to see what am I doing well. So here are some of my biggest strengths and weaknesses, and tell me what I need to improve on. And so here I can see, okay, I'm really good at rapport, but I need to improve my objection handling pace. That tells sellers what they're doing well directly from their conversations with prospects. So it's not imaginative role plays and team sessions, and it's not skewing or having a false perception of your performance, but it's pulling exactly from where you are and leveraging an external AI tool to do the work for you. So again, that's not only making you more tailored, but also more efficient. You're not having to do the work on your own and recalling conversations. And so what I've really seen is that Samsara has leveraged this well and will continue to do that for the future with internal tools in their CRM, but also external tools as well. And the value that they have is pulling data in from Salesforce, Gong, our enablement docs, and our sales methodology framework. It's not replacing us as sellers, but really what they're doing with AI, it's making us faster, it's making us more informed, and most importantly, to bring value, it's making us more targeted. And because of Samsara's data set and because of this framework, I'm really confident that its future is bright. And I'm so thankful for the opportunity to have been here and learned from it. That's what Samsara is doing with AI. It's empowering sellers, not replacing them, and they're really in line with the future. Thanks.